foot soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's on, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on.
Would you like to throw some light on this tournament, how exactly it has been so far?
Actually, the tournament has been really nice. I mean, even though nice sunshine, but it's hot, but everybody got together. Okay, it's a beautiful thing to have so many teams coming together. Not only the teams, but all the brothers of Sholem, the sisters of Sholem coming together and participating in this wonderful tournament, helping out in every aspect of the tournament. And it's really great. It's so nice, and we're really looking forward much more. Okay, just getting together, having more tournaments, having more events in the name of Sholem, and keeping the name of Sholem up and getting everybody together.
Yeah. What's your message to all the Sholkas all across the globe, not only in Dubai? What do you like to say to them?
Actually, we all want to say this to our Sholem brothers and sisters, and everybody in Sholem, the entire parish, is always be together. That we are always being together, and keep up the spirit. Keep up the spirit to be together and as one family, as one unity, and be the Sholem United always to have every aspect of success for our